We are Sorted, a group of mates from London exploring the newest and best in the world of food whilst trying to have a few laughs along the way. We've got chefs, we've got normals, and a whole world of stuff for you to explore, but everything we do starts with you.
Hello, I'm Jamie and this is Mike.
Now we're really interested in the science and logic behind flavour and how understanding it better can help us cook better.
So we asked you for your favourite weird flavour pairings so we could taste them and learn more about it.
This is perhaps one of the most famous unusual pairings ever. We can't take claim for it. Heston Blumenthal came up with it many years ago by accident, and you guys suggested that we try it. Lift the cloche.
Is the combination white chocolate and caviar?
Correct.
I don't get caviar. I've tried it a few times.
What? So I don't think I've heard of this combination.
I've also added a little sprig of dill because somebody else from the community suggested that white chocolate and dill was a really nice combination. So you've actually got all three there. We know that taste is just primarily 5 things. Primarily salty, sweet, sour, bitter and umami or savoury. And despite the fact being just 5 tastes, if you take into account aroma, then your brain should be able to compute somewhere in the region of 10,000 different aromas. Flavour is a combination of 80% aroma and 20% taste.
Oh, wait for it, mate, because I feel an educational infographic coming on.
Scientifically, 2 ingredients pair best when a number of their flavour aromas match. An aroma is a chemical compound that has a smell. White chocolate and caviar are a prime example of this because they both share the compound trimethylamine. Normals would describe this aroma as decayed, like the smell of something fermented or eggy. A good first step for us normals to see if 2 ingredients pair is simply to smell them. Try to identify the 2 or 3 strongest aromas. Is it fruity? Is it cheesy? Is it roasted? And see if any of those overlap. If you think they do, eat them and see if they work.
A disc of white chocolate with a bit of caviar. Put it in your tongue and just let it melt. Don't try and chew it, just let it melt.
Initial indications suggest he doesn't like this. Oh, now does he back a fellow chef, or does he tell Heston 3 Michelin-star Blumenthal that he's wrong?
Well, we should point out, Heston didn't prepare this,
No,
I did.
I'm not sure I like that.
The chocolatey disc is just acting as a vehicle for each egg to pop and dissipate and kind of hit every part of your mouth. It doesn't mean it tastes nice.
Did you get any dill?
No, not even a little bit of dill.
I'm not a massive caviar fan, but I have had it in situations where it works so bloody well. I don't think that's right.
Brace yourself, because Evers has got a great tagline for this.
Ah.
You forgot it.
You forgot it.
Flavour pair or flavour despair? See, it was great, it was worth waiting for.
It doesn't suit my flavour profile, but they do pair. I'll give you that, they do pair.
Because this is such a simple pairing, it's white chocolate and caviar, you need to really think about the raw ingredients, like which caviar specifically works with which white chocolate. Oh, I'm despairing a little bit because I really wanted it to work.
Sticking with the chocolate theme.
Give it a lift up, mate.
Yes!
A chocolate truffle.
This is a chocolate truffle from Paul A. Young. Fine chocolatier.
Best day ever!
This is chocolate and Marmite.
I'd totally expect that together.
So for those of you who don't know what Marmite is, it's yeast extract. It's salty, it's either delicious or disgusting, and it splits the country in half.
I love chocolate.
Do you like Marmite?
I love Marmite.
I don't like Marmite, and I love chocolate.
Marmite and Nutella on toast, delicious.
That was the suggestion.
Marmite and hot chocolate, which James made once, disgusting.
There's not many recipes that I make that you guys don't enjoy, but I made Marmite hot chocolate one time, and you all said it was disgusting. And we hadn't really known each other that long.
We didn't soften the blows.
I'm looking forward to this, so I think I'm going to like it. So subtle. I'd like a little bit more Marmite.
I don't think it tastes like Marmite. I think it enhances the chocolate flavour. Like, it's not salted caramel, it's just like just a background note that's making it more chocolatey.
Flavour pair or despair?
I reckon that worked, but it definitely splits opinion.
Flavour pair.
We come from science. Sometimes it's difficult to distill down scientifically art and creativity. This is a perfect example of that. This has come from our mate Dodie,
Okay.
the singer Dodie.
Yeah.
This is her #1 favourite tour snack.
Okay.
She recommended this as is as well.
Banana and pesto.
Now, is this going to be difficult because you don't like banana in the first place?
I don't like banana.
But he bloody loves pesto.
I do bloody love pesto. Maybe it will balance out.
Right, it's safe to
Oh,
say
he doesn't
as well.
open many bananas, does he?
No, you can tell you haven't had a banana in a while.
No.
We haven't got any science or theories behind why this works, if it does.
So this is pure art.
So I asked her are you supposed to blend the banana into the pesto? Are you supposed to, I wasn't entirely sure how this worked. Dippy dip, yo, was her response.
Yeah. Cheers.
Thanks, Dodes. No, shut up. We haven't tried any of these, by the way, so this is fascinating. Oh no, sorry, what? There's no way. That's amazing!
It's not just amazing, it's masking the smell of the banana.
It makes it
originally.
taste creamier.
It's all I'm getting is a creamy texture now from that, and not a banana flavour.
It's fine.
Just fine.
Just fine. It's not like overly banana-y, so it's just a good vehicle for getting pesto into your mouth without feeling bad because you're eating it from a spoon.
So do you think it adds anything?
The sweetness of the banana works with the pesto.
Now, the only logic on the trade-in this morning, because I haven't tried it either, and I was trying to wrap my brains around why this might work, the only thing I could come to was the banana is the fruit of a herb rather than a tree.
Yep.
And if you think about what goes into pesto, it's basil, it's garlic, it's pine nuts. They all kind of work with herb, and I just wondered if there is something in the flavour profile that works. It shouldn't. It messes with my head.
Everyone can try banana and pesto, so I'm not going to say. I'm going to sit on the fence, and you guys can decide.
He didn't like it. He was underwhelmed.
But I'm not sure I liked it. Soz, mate.
Holy moly, flavour pear.
Dodie, you're a genius.
I've eaten a banana.
That is the takeout.
Cucumber sandwiches.
Yep.
This is lemon curd and cucumber sandwiches, which some of our community said they used to love as a child.
What an idea.
Nostalgia. What's nostalgic about this? Did you used to eat a lot of cucumber sandwiches as a child? Because I'm pretty sure I'd have thrown this at you. And I'm still tempted to do that, in all fairness.
Some people hate this, don't they? I don't understand why, but I love a cucumber sandwich.
Especially on crappy white bread cut into triangles.
Yeah.
Like that's childhood.
I think the logic here is you've got lemon, which is quite obviously citrusy, but curd also has that richness and kind of sweetness to
Very
it. So
sweet, round
it's sweet
tart.
citrus, but it's tart and it's tangy. And cucumber has that very refreshing botanical kind of vibe.
Yum.
You like it?
Yeah. Because it's crunchy lemon curd. Yet again, it's another vehicle for something that you want to put in your mouth, but not put in your mouth with a spoon from the jar.
It's a subtle flavour, and it's definitely bringing out, the lemon curd is bringing out the cucumber flavour more so. Growing up, I had lots of cucumber sandwiches, and I did have lemon curd with my my cream teas growing up. So British.
Quintessentially so.
Yeah, and the two I never ever thought of. They were on the same tower,
Oh my goodness.
but they never came together. So
Very different childhoods.
there's a bit of nostalgia.
I like lemon curd, but I never eat it because what do you eat it on? Just like a slice of white bread or something? Nah. Cucumber is way better than bread for lemon curd.
Another flavour pear.
Doesn't quite fit under the cloche, but hey ho.
That would have fitted on the cloche.
You didn't need to put something that didn't fit under there.
Stop it!
What?
You're being a chef.
All about the presentation, James. Lift it carefully. Still on the fruit theme. These are all tropical sweet fruits paired with fermented items, all suggested by the community. We have fresh pineapple with soy sauce, watermelon with fish sauce, and mango with shrimp paste.
Firstly, I think as a 3 and as sorted, we just need to commit to the fact that you're allergic to pineapple. Stop eating it, because it makes his throat swell up. So we don't want you to eat the
forgetting,
You keep forgetting it, eating it, and then nearly dying. So don't eat the pineapple.
I like it, and I know it works with soy, definitely.
Well, there you go. So we know that. You think that's going to work?
Yeah. Sweet and salt again. Same pairing over and over again in different forms. And it's really good.
These two, fish sauce and shrimp paste.
Oh, I can't believe I'm about to eat this.
Oh, I'm excited. Has the tongue taste had a chance to kick in, or do you think he's instantly reacting to aroma?
I think probably he lifts it to his nose. He's already getting the...
Because he already pulled a face before, like...
The flavour without the taste.
Yeah.
I probably could have gone heavier on the fish sauce. Have you got any more watermelon?
Yes.
Definitely going to regret this.
So you've gone heavier on the fish sauce now?
Yeah.
Usually, you would use fish sauce to season something. So when you bring it to your mouth, you're not getting a whack of fish sauce.
True.
You're tasting it at the end of something, not the beginning.
A lot of people don't like the smell of fish sauce, but I do. And as soon as you put it in your mouth, you get like a really salty taste, but not fishy. And then the watermelon just takes everything away from it.
Next one is mango and shrimp paste.
Oh, come on, mate.
I really don't want to do this one.
That's the aroma kicking in.
It's fish food, isn't it?
That's 80%. You're not going to enjoy this. He didn't even give it a chance.
Same issue with that, but because the mango is even sweeter, it works a little bit better and easier to digest.
Really? Is that a food pair or food despair?
Yes, yes. No shrimp paste, no.
I'm going to have to say, in that form, that's a food despair. But tell us how you pair this, wherever you are in the world. If it's any better, if it works, then please let us know.
Final one.
This was the most requested. We could not ignore it, despite the fact we did not understand it. Peanut butter and pickle.
Yeah, totally okay with that. Like fatty and acidic.
They're two things that, again, it's a bit like Marmite. Some people love pickles, some people hate them. Some people love peanut butter, some people hate it. I'm completely neutral.
We had lots of suggestions as to how to combine this, but we just thought, get the basics, nothing's masking anything. What are you expecting?
I'm not looking forward to it.
Really? I can imagine this really working. I really can.
There were too many people suggesting it for it to be wrong. I'm just not sure I understand why or how it came to be. The one thing that's really interesting with aromas is when you roast things,
of course,
you get a completely different level of aroma, which is why coffee and cocoa beans are so amazing and have so many flavour profiles in them. And I think the roasted peanut helps. In the same way, it's not just a pickle or a gherkin. It's marinating in a brine that's got mustard seeds and dill and all of those other spices in there.
Bloody love that.
Really?
Really like that.
Peanut butter can be a bit pappy on your mouth, like it sticks through your mouth. And the pickle just takes all of that away. Yeah, so it's definitely like a flavour thing, like the fatty, creamy element with the crisp pickle, acidic pickle.
The overriding taste is exactly what you expect.
I imagine what you smell is in order of what you taste. So you smell it and you get creamy peanut butter, and then you start to get the vinegary pickle smell coming through.
Exactly what you expect.
That is outstanding.
It's the experience that I enjoy more than the actual taste.
I don't think I'd go for that as a snack, although I see why people would.
Yeah.
But I think I'd prefer to use it as in a recipe or something.
Well, mate, is that a flavour pair or flavour despair?
That, my friend, is a flavour pair.
It's a pair. It's a pair with possibilities. It's giving me ideas for recipes.
And the great thing is that they're really easy to put together, so you guys can try them at home as well and let us know what you think. It seems like we're all absolutely loving this topic, so we need more input from you, so please comment below.
Do you have a guilty pleasure food pairing like Dodie?
If you could combine your two favourite ingredients into the ultimate paired combo, what would they be?
Whiskey and bacon. Are there any ingredient combos that you've heard of but never got to try?
We're going to read every single one of your comments and then take a load and cook them up and see what we learn.
More eating. I was putting mustard on my sandwich the other day and I had a strange feeling that I'd done it before. Dijon vu.
That is what? It's rubbish.
Why it's not rubbish?
As we mentioned, we don't just make top quality YouTube videos. No. We've built the Sorted Club, where we use the best things we've learnt to create stuff that's hopefully interesting and useful to other food lovers. Check it out if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a few days.
I think I'm feeling a bit fragile after all of these. Just a lot of food.
A lot of
That's
unusual.
a bit weird.